I request now please welcome on stage Jaswinder Kaur Sidhu ma'am, Director, Ludhiana Sahodaya School Complex. I request ma'am to please be on stage and share your words of wisdom. Come on everybody, can we have a round of applause for Jaswinder ma'am?
Well, a very cheerful morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank Time to Grow Media for having me here. It was a pleasant surprise. I got to know about this education summit from Dr. Mrs. Vandana Shai, National Awardee, and a very good friend, a fellow colleague, Principal BCM, Basant Avenue, Ludhiana, and I readily agreed for it. And I'm very happy that I said yes. Though in between, the last 1 week or so had been very troublesome for the people in this part of the country because of cloudbursts, sudden flash floods, and flood-like situation in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and so many more areas, Haryana and other areas. And even this Tri-City wasn't spared. Mohali had very bad scenes. I had a word with Dr. Shashi that maybe the program will get postponed. She said, no, we are there and the program is going to be there. So that's how we all are here together. Such programs, such conferences, such summits are the need of the hour. With NEP 2020, with all of us there now, and we are all waiting for the new NCF to come out, there's a lot of scope to share and learn. Because it's not just for the sake of saying that learning is lifelong. It is actually true, and we all, even the principals, the school leaders, people associated with the education arena in the country have to learn day in and day out. Yesterday itself, evening 3 to 5, most of us were there in the webinar on 𝗙cie. I didn't know that I'll be asked to address here. So one thing which is an integral part of our schools and is very close to my heart, I would like to talk something about that, and that is inclusive education. And as a part of inclusive education, I would just like to share about 2 successful cases. Rather, there are many more, but 2 very prominent successful cases of children with special needs from my own institution where I am the principal, that is DAV Public School, Ludhiana. One of the students with cerebral palsy was admitted in the school. Before this school where I am a principal now, this is in Bhai Singh Nagar area. Before that, I was in DAV Pakhuwal Road School from 2005 to 2012. This boy, Agam Singh, was admitted in that school. We didn't know what problem he has. The family also learnt it. And then he needed support. The boy could not even carry his own school bag. Grandma used to accompany him every day, carrying him to the classroom, sitting and waiting in the reception area for the whole day, and then taking him back. And then slowly and gradually, what I started observing in the class, Agam became an indispensable part of not just his school, but of the whole school, of his class, but of the whole school. His friends were so fond of him. The boy was very lively, a quick learner. Problems were with his movements, with writing also. And there was such good friendship in the class that even small little children used to carry his things around. If it is, the school has got over, they used to carry his bag and bring him to the reception area so that grandma could take him back. But the downside of this was that slowly Agam started getting dependent on the friends around. Mother is a dentist. She came to me when Agam was in class 4. And she told me, ma'am, I'm going to change his school. And the moment she said, it was like, I should say it in Hindi, jaise mera dil hi nikal liya. I said, no, we cannot part with him. And he's doing so well, as per his capabilities. Teachers are helping him, his friends are always supporting him. What's the problem? She said, that exactly is the problem. I don't want him to become dependent. And he should, be on his own as much as it is possible for him. So the mother insisted, and she shifted him from DAV Pakhuval Road School to DAV BRS Nagar School when he was in class 5. And she didn't know that after some time only, I was also to be transferred from that school to this school. So I came over there. And Agam then continued under my, principalship, my tenure. He passed out class 12 few years back. His story was published in the newspapers also. He did class 12 with non-medical subjects and did exceptionally well throughout his school years. And I'm very happy to share that this case of cerebral palsy has now completed his BTech from Thapar Institute. So when, children with such special needs are provided space, and there are all kind of help provided to them, and then children, they create their own space. You just have to open up your arms and welcome them as an integral part of your school. Another student, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 Singh. I met him when I came in this school. I was informed by my examination in charge that, ma'am, there is a special child in class, I think that time he was in class 3 or class 4. He has such low vision that he cannot read normal book. He uses some magnifying glass for reading his books. And at the time of examination, we need to help him. I said, how are you helping him earlier? She said, we provide him sometimes a reader, sometimes we give him an enlarged question paper. So that became the norm. Then I called his parents, talked to them. Father is highly qualified, he is into some business. Mother also is highly qualified. And sadly, both their children, this boy is elder and the girl is younger, both of them have this problem with their vision. We have two types of cells in our eyes, rods and cones. They do not have one type of the cells in their eyes, and the vision is so weak that it is like just, being visually impaired kind. But they can at least move about. They can carry themselves, they can go to the playground even and sit there and watch others play, but they try to keep themselves safe. This boy, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, was helped by the school. With my team, we could always, support him, provide him enlarged question papers. If A4 size is not enough for him, we used to buy special paper for him, A5 size, and provide him help, not just in the examination, but with his notes, with his assignments, with everything. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 passed out class 12 with commerce subjects 2 years back in 2021, and he is now pursuing BCom in SCD Government College, Ludhiana. He himself is unstoppable. Father being into business, after class 12, he offered him that you come and sit with me in my business. He said no. I will be on my own and I just don't want to follow your footsteps. So with these two success stories, the message I want to put across is not, I'm not glorifying what I did for the children. Of course, they were part and parcel of the school, and the whole school system was aligned in a way that the children could be helped. Now, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲's younger sister is in class 9 in my school. The point I'm emphasizing upon is that we talk of inclusive education. The first and foremost thing for inclusive education in our schools is that the principal, the leader of the school, should have an open mind. At the time of admission in class nursery, we should admit children in whatever way they come to us, with whatever capabilities they have. If nature has sent them on this earth, we are nobody to stop them for admission in our schools. With these words, I wish the organizers a great day ahead and a great day for all of us, great learning through camaraderie, through sharing, and of course, lot of takeaways from here. Thank you for listening to me.